Hickory Road is about a mile. Up past Forest County Wood Products. So here we are on Little Hickory. It's a really pretty spot. This is the closest, most favorite spring. There's a creek at the bottom. Of course, the no littering sign. Been there a while. The overflow. This is a really nice one. I heard it was tested once a year, although I haven't been able to confirm that. But the water is delicious and a lot of people use it. It's easy to fill here, even in the winter. It'll keep your feet dry. Nice flow. Delicious water in an ample parking area. You can back in regardless of the size of your container. I've seen people hook a hose up to the outlet. Plenty of room to turn around. There's a threading down here so you could actually attach a garden hose to it and fill a large container. Delicious. Plenty of room to bring kids or dogs to run around as long as they're well behaved and stay off the road. If your kids were adventurous, they could climb down and play in the water. It's really rather pretty. A little bit of a waterfall.